Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Today we have a challenging question: how to extract the balance between being ethical and being effective in negotiation. Let's start by defining what we mean by ethics. And a possible definition is agreed principle about what is right and what is wrong. The challenge is that what is right or wrong may change depending on the context and the personality of the people, of the culture of those people. To give you an idea, let me share with you a quick exercise that I did. I asked a number of people of different gender, different age, different nationalities, what would you do in the following situation? You are going to a shop and the cashier gives you more money than is appropriate. What would you do? And some of the people replied to me, well, I will give the money back right away. Some other people said, well, it really depends. Maybe if it's a small shop, then I'll give the money back. But if it's a big supermarket, then I'll just keep it. Or somebody says, well, I'll keep the money, because those type of mistake happen in both directions. Whenever it's against me, I lose it. So whenever it's for me, then I have to keep it, and then it will be even over time. You can see that the same type of context, people still believe to be ethical, though they behave in substantially different way. So even when we look at ethics in negotiation, for somebody, the fact of hiding information or displaying fake emotion, like pretending to be angry or pretending to be disappointed, those things are for someone unethical, and for others are perfectly normal, just part of the negotiation game. So, how do we find the balance between ethics and effectiveness in negotiation? Because being fully ethical may backfire. Imagine a situation where you're going to a negotiation and you have no alternatives. If you're fully transparent and you tell the other party that that's the only alternative that you have, well, guess what? You're likely not to get out of this negotiation with a very good deal. So, a possible way to deal with this challenging is the following. Do not lie, use the truth to your advantage. So you want to try to present the information in the way that is more effective to you. Let me give you a borderline example that may display the situation. Let's say that you are going for an interview and you are soon going to be talking about money. Right before, the interviewer asks you, do you have other offers? Then if you apply the principle, a possible reply may be, well, I'm talking to other companies. Even if those companies are not talking back to you. So, the guidance is, do not lie, use the truth to your advantage. For more information on videos and articles on negotiation, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you very much.